interesting TV is this? So we're pouring the concrete for the foundation of the art studio. Right, this is probably the most important step, really, because if you don't get this level, then it's just going to make it a pain in the arse trying to get things level later down the line. But I think we're in a good place.
And I've been waiting for you, with embers in my heart. Yeah, I've been waiting for you, a promise I will hold on to. Yeah, I've been waiting for you, with embers in my heart. Yeah, I've been waiting for you, a promise I will hold on to.
Ben finally shoveled out the last bit of dirt there that I dug out this whole area just so there's ground clearance underneath the supporting beams, just so they can dry out and they obviously don't deteriorate. And I got a hernia with like 2 square foot left to do, and then he did that this morning, which is great. As I said, got the hernia, and the doctor said not to do too much heavy lifting. Well, my body is telling me that. So Ben and Dad kindly offered to help do all the heavy lifting, which is good. Otherwise, I wouldn't be able to do this.
On fields where shadows creep, this promise I will keep. And I'll be waiting for you, with embers in my heart. Yeah, I'll be waiting for you, a promise I will hold on to. Yeah, I'll be waiting for you, with embers in my heart. Yeah, I'll be waiting for you, a promise I will hold on to.
You want to distance up slowly, Ben, and I'll catch the stuff coming out. Tell me when. Yeah, keep going.
Yeah, I'll be waiting for you,
Right, stop.
with embers in my heart. Yeah, I'll be waiting for you, a promise I will hold on to.
Yeah, been playing around with the laser level, which is right down there. It's almost idiot-proof, and it saves buying a super long level or having a solid beam to put across everything to make sure everything's level. And that was a gift from my mum and dad-in-law, Tom and Anne, which has been invaluable, really. I started digging like the day we got back from Canada, because we had the planning permission. I started digging out the footings of the tubes, which were already in there, the form tubes, just to give them a bit of ground clearance, dictated by Tom. We got 2 more to pour. I've put in the ties, as you can see, but I think we'll do a little bit of rejigging at the end just to double make sure that they're level and everything before the concrete sets. This is bag number 18, going in the last hole. That's what she said.
That's what she said.
18 bags of sand and 3 bags of cement. 2 bags? I only bought 2. No? Oh. 18 bags of sand and 3 bags of cement. One more for the road. Probably 1.5. It's deceptively big, this tube. Just wait a few minutes, that'll probably sink down a tiny bit, and I'll put the tie in. The first bit. Done the first bit. What happens next is we buy the beams to put across in these ties. We're going to put the beams across here in these ties that we've just put in the concrete and build the deck on top of that. Right, we're having a bit of a fundraiser in the form of a sale of my art to raise money to build the base of this, which is essentially a heavy-duty deck which the frame's going to sit on. The target's 2,500 because that's how much I priced out all the materials. The sale is until the 21st plus 10 days.
The sale is running. Until
Which ends on the 31st of October 2024. Thank you to everyone who's bought a piece of art this month. Okay, bye!
I mean, I almost got the shot. Guess what shot I have instead? Whiskey's bum.